What's going on, guys? Raven here, bringing you another video. This time we're going to be changing the cabin air filter as well as the engine air filter on my mom's 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. So it's going to be two separate videos. So the first one's going to be the engine air filter, and then of course we're going to have the cabin air filter as a second video follow-up. So right now I'm sitting in the driver's seat, and we're looking at the dirty steering wheel. We still got to clean that thing up a little bit. I got about 15,686 miles. And if you look down here, this little lever, we've already popped the hood, but this lever here is what releases your hood. So now that we've done that, let's go take a look underneath the hood. All right, guys, so we're back. We're underneath the hood. Of course, that's the main part, the motor, where everything is, the long block, all that fancy stuff. Over here is going to be our air intake box, which comes with the filter and everything else that makes the car have air with fuel, makes it run, or part of what makes it run. Now, on Rock Auto, I order a lot of stuff on rockauto.com, especially these basically disposable, interchangeable parts. We've got a ultra power engine air filter and an ultra power cabin air filter as well. I got them for like $5 a piece on Rock Auto. So we're gonna move over here to the box. It's just really super simple, you guys. So we're gonna pop open these two and separate that air box. We're gonna pull out the old one, and then we're going to put the new one in as well. So our new one, like I said, is ultra power. We've got a new one, and then we're going to pull out that old one. All right, guys, so I needed both hands. Got my little bro behind the camera, and we're going to show you right now. 15,000 miles, doesn't look too dirty, but the manufacturer may say 30 to 40,000 miles, but like I told you guys before, including shipping, I got these for like $5 a piece. So 2 engine air filters for $5 a piece and 2 cabin air filters for $5 a piece. So very simple, very cost effective, keeps the motor running good. So we're gonna throw that away. And we got a brand new one. So like I said, $5 a piece. Had a little bit of a struggle bus trying to get it in the first time. So this is like take 2, but I figured out, first off, our thick side, as you can tell, is gonna go to the right or towards the driver's side of the air box. And we need to make sure that we have this, instead of it being a small round angle, it's a kind of a wide round angle, if that makes sense. That needs to go on the bottom as well. So instead of flipping it this way and having it up top, it needs to be at the bottom. So that way it fits properly in the air box. You can close it up without any complications. So we're gonna slide that in. And there is 2 things that's supposed to slide into. We get it nice and closed. And we pop both clamps back on, and it's all set. We're good to go. All right, guys, so that's it for a engine air filter change on a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This is the same for this body style. The 2019s are just a facelift. I believe it is the same area, same box and everything else inside, just the body, the front fascia and the rear fascias are just updated for this body style year. And if you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. Appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.